Marvelous Beauties, welcome back to my channel, the place to be for planning, budgeting, and traveling to live a marvelously beautiful life. So today's video is a little bit different. I need to stuff my cash envelopes and then get ready for all of next week's videos. So I figured that I'd go ahead and show you how I actually apply the Dashing Diva to my nails, because I'm constantly telling everyone about this company and to get Dashing Diva, especially if you have short nails or even medium length nails. It's a good alternative to gel polish or even polish, because there's no damage to your nails. They remove easily and it's quick and easy, which you'll see. So here's my pro tip for you. You want to, if you're short on time or you don't have time to sit and do a soak-in manicure or whatever before you begin, do something else that you need to do, like wash your dishes. So I just came from washing the dishes. I pushed back my cuticles. I'm not gonna cut them today because I just wanna go ahead and get started. And so I'm just gonna show you the whole process from start to finish. So like any other manicure, you definitely wanna push back your cuticles, even if that means wash your hands in the sink for a few extra minutes and then push them back, whatever you need to do. But this doesn't take long at all. So these are some leftovers from my old pack that I had used. So I'm thinking about mixing some of these in with this pack. And I also had these and these, which I showed in a previous haul video. So what you get in the pack is you get this. So sometimes it looks like this, and then sometimes the pack is this size, but there is the same content. So there's all of your nail strips, and then they give you a little file. I don't use their file. I actually use 180 grip file. This one's from Model Ones, but I use this because I just like it to go much quicker. With their file, you have to go over it a couple of times. So just like press-on nails, you're gonna look for the best fit to the nail, and then you start applying. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that, and I'll just figure out which ones I want from here. And I kind of want these glittery ones, but I have to see which nail they're gonna fit on. And I really want the animal print too, but that might not fit on anything. But we'll see how it goes. So they might not all be the same, and that's okay, because I don't have to have them all the same. I just like the glittery ones. So what I like to do is, which I think I am gonna go ahead and use this one on the pinky. I like to go ahead and put it on. And here's another tip. Use an orange stick or a cuticle pusher to get it down in the corner. Push it down real good. So I like to smooth it over the top. Push it down. And then I cut off the extra. I'm just using these nail clippers because I don't know where my little scissors are. And then you just file off the edge of it. I'm just doing it gently right now so you can see. I hope you can see that. I'm filming this on my iPad, so I'm not sure how. And that's it. See? That's done. And once you get on a roll, it goes really quickly. So this one is actually too small for any of my fingers, so that I'll just throw over there. Now I may be able, that one looks like it's a little bit too small. When you're putting these on, don't go with a smaller one, putting a smaller one on a bigger nail, because it's just not gonna look right. Just being honest. So you wanna take it, smooth it, cuticle area with the stick. Now smooth it out at the top. And you get a good 2 to 2.5 weeks on these, depending on how fast your nails grow. My nails grow really fast, so the last time I put these on, I did get like 17 days wear on it. On the package it says 14. I mean, after 14 days I could have went ahead and took them off, but I didn't. I'm just trying to smooth that out a little bit more. So again, you cut off the extra. Sorry for that loud noise. Take your file to the edge. And that's it. Just trying to get I'm just trying to push this down a little bit in here. Okay. Yep, it's good now. And just gonna keep going. So I'm gonna keep going. I'll let the music play while you watch this, and then I'll come back on the end, talk to you a little bit about it. You can let me know what you think. So it's a little bit more difficult for me to cut with my non-dominant hand. So on my non-dominant hand, I usually just do the file, but you can do that and it just comes right off same way. What you just saw me do, because I filed it a little bit lower, so I'm just filing on the top of my nails a little bit so it's a bit more flush and it doesn't look like the polish is chipped, but it's actually not that noticeable, but I know it's there, so I want to fix that a little bit. And I'm not taking a whole lot off my nails. I cut them short to begin with. So that's it. They're done. So at this point, you want to go ahead and get yourself a little cuticle oil and put on your cuticle oil, which I'll get some, and then I'll come back and show you, and you're done. That's it. And it's, as the more you do it, the quicker you get doing it. So, and you can see I have plenty left over. So this was an old pack that I already used. This was the new pack that I opened. So I have this also, but these little tiny ones don't really fit my pinkies that good. But I mean, if you have a little daughter or somebody in the house with you that has smaller nail beds, you can put those on them. But you see what you have left here from 2 packs. So this is a whole nother look, because you got these, and then the rest of those. And you can kind of mix and match it however you want. I just want to go with something like this, but a little neutral, a little spicy right here, and then some bling. So let me go and get the cuticle oil, show you, and then we will be all done with our Dashing Diva. So for cuticle oil, this is what I'm using. This is Shea Moisture 100% argan oil. Got a little hair on it. And I just take a little drop, put it in my palm like that. Then I put it around. And then I go ahead and just work it all into my hands. Like that. And the oil does not make these lift up at all. So there we have it. There's our Dashing Diva, and I mean, I'm gonna have a couple, at least 2 weeks out of these. Now, you wanna be careful to smooth your free edge a little bit more. I was a little bit nervous because I was doing it on camera in front of you, but usually that part is not giving me any trouble right there. But, you know, just take your time, and you can see it still takes about 10 minutes or less, and you're out the door now. You can go and do the rest of what you have to do. You're not waiting for anything to dry. You don't have a whole lot of stuff to clean up like you would do if you were doing your gel polish or what have you, even your regular nail polish. So that's it. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments. And like I said, right now, I know for a fact they're having a promotion, and it's 20% off, and you also get free shipping. So I just got 3 new pair coming to me, and I paid only $18 for them. So I'm looking forward to getting those when they come. All right, friends, I will see you in the next video, which our next video, very next video coming up right after this, is our cash envelope and budget check-in video. So I will catch you in that video.